So yesterday I was listening to a terrific podcast, a Gold Digger podcast by a girl called Jen Kutcher. If you haven't heard of her, fabulous content she has on her podcast. But she was interviewing Jen Sincero yesterday, who is the author of You're a Badass. And she was talking about being a badass with money. Now, what she talked about was the words that you use to describe your relationship with money have a real impact on you. And as I was walking to the beach yesterday listening to this, I thought, that's the same as your body. How do you subconsciously or in your mind talk to or refer to your body? What are the words that you use to describe it? Do you say things like, I'm fat, or I'm overweight, I don't like my thighs, or I wish I had bigger breasts, or I wish my stomach was smaller, or I feel old, I hate the way I look? Are those the words you're saying in your mind, not the words you're saying out loud, although maybe you are, but what are the words that you're saying to yourself about your body? Because the way that you subconsciously view your body is the way that you will treat it consciously. And it makes a difference in the foods that you choose to eat, how you value your body. Now tomorrow on this little Instagram stories, I'm going to do the next steps in the 4-step methodology of intuitive eating. But I want today is just think about, how do you speak about your body in your own mind? And are the words you're using setting you up to sabotage that body? Because the path to lighter living and the path to intuitive eating is absolutely acknowledging and accepting your body the way it is. I don't think you necessarily love it. I think you learn to accept it. And when you learn to accept it and embrace it and look at the energy around it, it'll make a whole heap of difference to how you treat it.